Welcome to a brand new video on our channel on how to make a business page on Facebook. If you have a business you want to promote online, having a business page on Facebook is the first step. Not only can you showcase your service, but you just might get that new customer for having a Facebook business page. Most companies nowadays have a page on Facebook. It's because millions and millions of people go on Facebook at least 3 to 4 times a day. With that said, myself and my husband have a business page as well. This is how I gain clients for our business. You can post daily and make paid ads to gain presence online. Build followers and engagement from people that are looking for your service. So let's get started on how to make a business page. Hi everyone, Angela here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a business page on Facebook. So I am signed in and I'm on the home page. So you're going to click on pages and create new page, and then you're just going to title the page. And then you're going to put the category, which is, I'm going to say, and then you're going to put a description. So you could say something like, and then you're gonna hit create page. And then over here you're gonna add a profile picture. So you're just gonna click on that. So I am just using this as an example. I made a logo in the past, so I'm just going to use that as an example. And then you are going to add a cover photo. So I'm just going to use the same image. And then you can hit save. And so this is how your page will look like, and then you can start creating posts. And that is it, guys. I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Thanks for watching.